from Kesaria. I hope all are safe and doing great. Today also I brought for you the exclusive varieties from the Kesaria manufacturers from women ready-made apparels. If I talk about these collections are at the market very trending, very costly and very royal and rich look collections the market is selling. These collections are the ready-made ball gowns, reception, party wear, evening, night outs. And the wedding girls, they prefer many stylish and designer come celebrity pattern of gowns. And if I talk about the crop tops, also very trending at the nowadays. So trending collections are Kesaria manufacturers giving you with starts from 1,000 rupees. In the market, the retailers and the resellers, it's selling on the 20, 25, 30, 50k around, right? So depend on this collections. You can also have a color chart also. These are all the semi-stitch base, and keep watching this video. Subscribe the channel for the regular updates. You can purchase from Pan India COD options we are providing you. International also you can purchase, and you can also have a boutique for this collections where you can invest if you are a retired person, and you can have a multiple profit where the short period you can take down the profit. So these are the collections. Let's have a look of the samples which I'm going to show you. The grand royal look collections, if you have a shop or showroom, you can keep at the mannequin, you can place these collections and you can see the beautiful varieties. The first pattern, if I talk about the black with the golden color with the sequence work, the walk around, the collections are, these are the sequence work with the net based fabric collection. Designer dupatta, you can see the veil collection. This is a veil over here. And this is the pattern. And if I talk about the gown, semi-stitched, you can see the sleeves pattern with the pad it's given. And it's a removable also, and here also you can see the can ball gown, and here with the layer thick fabric. This is it looks. So this is the pattern. Such exclusive gown, party wear, night outs, evening parties, the reception. These collections you can purchase. All are semi-stitched. We can alter according to our sizes. If I talk about the next pattern, which is a royal look of the onion pinkish satin based, and which is covered with silver white stone. This is a beautiful layer, which is a belt pattern. The layers as mini layers has been given. The stylish curving designer with this thin layer of the sleeves pattern you can see here. And this is the gown pattern. Almost this is a beautiful designer with the veil collection of dupatta. This is a dupatta veil, and this the lace has been placed, and in this also you can see the multiple lining which has been given, and this is also a ball gown which gives a can. So this is a long gown. So such exclusive varieties you can purchase. I've just showed you the samples actually. In the long video, I can't show you all the samples of varieties. I'm just showing you the varieties of the season to season which has come. If I talk about the crop top collections are very trendy for the haldi functions, evening, even in the families, no? The people use and they demand. This is the first time showing the veil collection, which is with satin lace which has been given. This is a net fabric. And if I talk about this pattern, which is a beautiful designer stylish cut of semi-stitched blouse, which is a mini crop top blouse, I can say. This is covered with a handwork pattern, and the same pattern of this lehenga you can see. See, such a beautiful multiple layers here is given, and here you can see the wiring silver finishing has been placed. This is also designer cut, and this is a layer, and this is a can. So all collections you can purchase which are weightless. And if I talk about the next pattern, it's a beautiful veil which is a stylish designer veil. This is a designer blouse. You can see ari work, handwork, pearl work which is mixed multi work I can say. And here is a beautiful lehenga with the semi-stitch on the same pattern. Dotted silver chunky work has been given on the pinkish finishing the texture will give. And here is a pattern, one more pattern. Such a beautiful collection. Here you can also see. See, all these lehengas are, crop tops are very demanded. If I talk about the next pattern, lavender garden pattern I can see, which is only handwork pattern designer. This is a blouse actually, how designed it is. So fancy collection. This is the blouse. You can see here. So fully designer with the mirror work. This is the back side. All are free sizes. According to our size, we can semi-stitched and we can alter it. And this is also a beautiful designer handwork of leaf pattern printed. Small mini pearls has been placed and the chunky work has been done. In this you have a 2x2, which is a ball gown, which is a crop top. It gives a shape. Friends, I've showed you the long gowns with the can and even the crop top collections. You have seen it, just samples I've showed you. Starts from 1,000 rupees at factory price. If I talk about the resellers at the market, which is into the selling concept, retailers having a huge profit, you can buy from directly factory, where the manufacturer is giving you wholesale price, and this all will be semi-stitched and free sizes 3, 4, 5 according to the price and the variance differs the designing gowns or crop top. Set will be differ 2, 3 collections, but everything set to set. No quality doubts, no quantity doubts. You can give also boutique. You can give also a boutique order also. Boutique you want to purchase and you want to start 50,000 in Indian currency money. You can invest and you can have your boutique online business also. You can do it. You can tie up with Kesaria manufacturers under one roof. Sari, lehenga, kurti, gown, crop top, sharara, peplum, handloom collections, bedsheets, kids collections, varieties of dupattas, ready-made kurta sets, coat sets, all varieties you can purchase it under one roof. So please visit once. You have a video calling facility, live video calling purchase also you can do it. From airport it just take 30 minutes and from railway station just take 10 minutes. Kesaria manufacturers located at Surat City Ring Road, Millennium Textile Building 1, first floor. Morning 9:30 to 8:30 we operate our shop. No language barrier. We do have online team and offline team also. So I believe that hopefully you enjoyed this collections. Let me know from the which city we are watching the video. Keep supporting. Please share the link with your friends, relatives, with everyone. So next video I'll come up with many more new collections with business informations. Keep supporting. Till then, take care. Bye bye.
साड़ी कुर्ती या हो लहंगा, सही दाम का नाम।